doing that. What we can do. We can save the rainforest by not cutting down trees. We can save the rainforest by telling people not to do something bad. Why it matters. Why is it important? It is important because animals live there.
What is happening? The people are cutting down trees. People are destroying the rainforest. Palm oil is made out of trees. We need trees to live. Pictures. Stop chopping down them trees. Stop making palm oil. Let's save the rainforest. Stop chopping down trees.